In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Monopoly Go to your Facebook account. Whether you're looking to save your progress, access your friends' leaderboards, or just want to sync your game data, linking these two accounts is a simple process. Let's walk through it together. First things first, you'll want to open up your browser and head over to the Monopoly Go website. This is the starting point for getting your game connected to your Facebook account. So make sure you've either got Monopoly Go bookmarked or simply type it into your search bar to get there quickly. Once you're on the Monopoly Go homepage, keep an eye out for the login option. You'll typically find this somewhere at the top right of the web page. Go ahead and click on the login button. This is your gateway to starting the linking process. Now, for those of you who've logged in before, this step might be familiar, but don't worry, we'll guide you right through it. Now we're at the stage where you'll need to sign in with Facebook. This option is usually prominently displayed once you've clicked on the login button. Look for the button that says something along the lines of Sign in with Facebook. Clicking this will direct you to Facebook's sign-in page. Before you proceed, make sure you're using the correct Facebook account, especially if you have multiple accounts. At this point, Facebook will prompt you to enter your login details. Ensure you enter your email and password associated with your Facebook account accurately. Once you've done that, you should see a screen asking for your permission to link the accounts. This is an important step, so take a moment to review the permissions being requested by Monopoly Go. It usually asks for access to basic profile information like your name and possibly your email. When you're ready, move forward by clicking the Continue button. This action essentially gives Monopoly Go permission to access the specified data from your Facebook account. The linking process should happen fairly quickly. After this, Monopoly Go and your Facebook profiles will be successfully connected, allowing you to make the most out of your gaming experience. Now, with your accounts linked, your game data will sync with Facebook. This means if you ever need to reinstall the game or switch devices, you won't lose any progress. Plus, you'll be able to connect with friends and see how your gameplay stacks up against theirs. And there you have it. You've successfully linked Monopoly Go to your Facebook account. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and if you have any questions or run into any trouble during this process, feel free to leave a comment and we'll be happy to assist. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming!